ako personally, yung nation building should start with us. If we believe in our products, if we believe in our ideas, we can change things we can change the time. So importante na manggagaling sa atin. Importante na tayo ang lakas, kumbaga. Tsaka importante na naniniwala tayo sa produkto natin at mga ideya. Yun. Yes.
I really believe in, being conscious where you put your 1 peso. And we're 110 million consuming Filipinos. If we just are conscious where we put our 1 peso, then it will trickle. So, simple as wearing, as Andrew mentioned, our outfits. So my outfit is, my top is Label. So they're a casual fashion brand. You can follow Label. My skirt is Binibining Marikit. So the founder, Melody, used to work in Dubai. So napansin niya sa Dubai daw, parang lahat ng makasama nila doon na ibang nationality would wear their national attire, and sa mga Pilipino daw hindi. So nag-decide siya nung bumalik siya ng Philippines and she wanted to contribute. So yung illustrations ng kanyang mga design, because this is made in Batangas, are by fine art students in Batangas. So nakakatulong din. So if there's an opportunity naman to purchase Filipino, if there's a Pinoy alternative to what we can buy, I guess it's just being more conscious to where we put our 1 peso. And if you live proud about it, if you, in your mindset, if you live proud, then everything follows already. The way we dream, the way we eat, the way we act, places that we go to, and daily decisions that we make.
We want to leave this message to everyone that kahit na anong nangyayari sa atin sa paligid natin, whether how bad our politics is, whether how bad the traffic is, whether how bad the weather is, marami pa rin pwedeng ipagmalaki tayo, diba? And we don't need to stop doon sa negative na naranasan natin, na papakinggan natin sa news. Because in our lives, personally, marami tayong pwedeng ipagmalaki, diba? Marami tayong pwedeng i-flex, gaya ng sabi ni Pat. And yung mga kailangang ipagmalaki na yon are something that we need to beg, not just to our fellow Filipinos, but also to our friends from outside of the country, diba? And the challenge of Yakang Pinoy to each and every person